What's going on YouTube world? Austin Zaback here with another YouTube video. And in this video, I'm gonna take you on a tour of the condo that you see behind me. Let's go ahead and jump right into the condo. We actually just took this one down as a rehab. Now basically, I'm gonna give you guys some quick numbers on how we actually acquired this property, where we found this property, and then what we stand to potentially make on the property. So this is actually a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom in the heart of Scottsdale, Arizona, okay? Purchase price on this property was about $260,000, and we actually acquired this property through text messaging, okay? Text messaging is how we got a hold of the seller. We acquired the property, we got it for $260,000, and the ARV, the after repair value, is anywhere from $320,000 to $340,000. The potential rehab costs on this property so far, we're looking at probably around $20,000. Mainly the kitchen we're remodeling. As you can see, there was this old tile in the property, and we're actually replacing the tile with prefabricated wood floors, which is basically like laminate, kind of depending on how you look at it. So here's the laundry room right here. You know, real simple property, guys. Like I said, again, you have a laundry room, you have another like little half bathroom down here. And again, we're gonna be changing out the vanity. We're gonna be changing out some different odds and ends, changing out the flooring, repainting everything, doing all new fixtures. And like I said, all that should add up to about $20,000, just give or take. So let's just imagine that we have a $260,000 purchase price. We put $20,000 worth of work into it. And our back end number is 3.25. Do some simple math, and again, factor in any holding costs or any real estate agent commissions that we're gonna experience on the back end, and we should make anywhere from like $20,000 to $40,000, okay? We'll go ahead and go upstairs really quick and check it out upstairs. So as you can see, right now we have not done the stairs or anything like that. We've still got to do the laminate. We've already kind of started up here. We've got another little like coat closet, or maybe like a towel or linen closet right here. And then this is actually the master bedroom. Pretty good size, to be totally honest with you. The total square footage of this condo is about 1,800 square feet. So really good size master bedroom. Here you could like get ready. I don't know, we'll probably do like a built-in thing there with maybe like some granite or something like that. We do have the closet, okay, right here. And so we'll go ahead and build that up. And then let's check out the bathroom here really quick in the master bedroom. Again, guys, real simple bathroom. We're doing the laminate. We'll move the toilet back over, put the toilet back in, repaint everything, change out the vanity, change out the fixtures, and we're rocking and rolling. So, you know, a lot of people are like, man, like Austin, I don't know how I feel about like rehabbing a property. You know, I would encourage you to just look at the numbers. You know, the one thing that I like about condos is that they're very simple. You really don't have anything on the exterior. You really don't have a roof or anything like that to worry about, because the HOA will take care of it for you. Now, what you want to remember with an HOA though, is you do have to pay HOA dues. And you know, if you're going to turn this into a rental property or something like that, you're going to have to factor in that we're going to be paying the HOA. We were going to do like a potential Airbnb on this property. So this particular HOA community is actually Airbnb friendly, meaning we could Airbnb it, or a back-end buyer could also Airbnb it. So you could either stand to make a $20,000 to $40,000 pure profit, or you could hold it as a long-term Airbnb rental. Or you could literally just hold it as a long-term rental in general. But again, factor in the Airbnb costs, what it costs to actually like run an Airbnb. You've got to buy the furniture, you've got to furnish it, you've got to pay the HOA. There's definitely going to be some costs associated with holding it as an Airbnb rental. Okay, so here's one more bathroom right here. And again, same thing as the other bathrooms, repainting, new fixtures, new vanity, stuff like that. Okay, so, you know, again, run the numbers. If you're looking at a condo deal, understand that on condo deals, you could stand to make a much cleaner profit. And what I mean by that is simply that with condos, it's not like a single family residence. You don't have the roof and all these crazy things to worry about. A lot of the times with condos, you just get into the condo and it's basically a cosmetic rehab, meaning there's not as much that can go wrong in the process of remodeling the property. Guys, I hope that I answered a bunch of your questions And I hope you enjoyed touring this. Like I said, again, this is very minimal work for a $20,000 to $40,000 payday with a potential 30-day turnaround time, meaning in 30 days, we're gonna get in and out of the property, maybe another 30 to 60 days to list the property for sale and actually get it sold, meaning the total hold time of this property is like 90 days, give or take, obviously. So if you have hard money costs and you can't afford to just outright pay cash for the property, you can leverage hard money, and you're not in condos typically as long as you are a single family residence. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Drop in the comment section down below what you would like to see in another YouTube video. And as always, smash that like button, click that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.